I've been literally looking at the camera for like 10 minutes now and haven't pressed recorded just because it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera, so it's sort of hard for me again to just look at it. But I'm just babbling on. What is up, you guys? So it's been a minute, like not too long, but like a month or so since I posted something, and it's just I don't know, it's just laziness or something. Laziness and just, yeah, it's just laziness. I just had an itch to start shooting videos again and things. So I guess to start, oh, my battery's about to die. Hold up, gotta change the battery. See, I am not ready for this. Last month or two ago, the TL was working fine, and then this big rainstorm happened that just happened one evening, and the next morning I went to go start the car up and it did not want to run. So I tried to sort of diagnose it and just to see what could be wrong with it. Now, like I said, this was a couple months ago, so I'm trying to remember exactly what happened. So it didn't want to run. If I remember right, I don't even think it cranked. Oh no, I think it cranked, but it just wouldn't want to start. And so, you know, I just went back and forth, trying to figure it out. I wish I could tell you guys, but long story short, it didn't want to run, and all the basic diagnosis that I did, everything checked out. So technically the car should have ran, but it didn't. And so I had it towed. To the call. I'm editing the video as we speak. Yeah. Armin Hendrix LLC. So those dudes are awesome. They're so chill and things. I am at 1%. They're so chill. The guy who took care of my car, his name was Ryan, and the dude's so chill. And like I said, everyone's chill. And so went back and forth. He diagnosed the car and stuff, and he said that it was the fuse housing in the driver's side. It was fried. And so that being said, it was replaced. It has been replaced. And what he also told me was that he believed that there was water that leaked through, and he believed it fried ECU as well. So the ECU, so long story short, the ECU, the fuse box and the ECU somehow linked up together, but it wasn't turning on the fuel pump, and then the fuel pump, and so he had to do some rerouting, and then the fuel pump works, the fuse housing works as well, and so then the car started. There you go. Okay, I'm about to run out of battery. I have to talk to you guys in a bit when the battery is finished charging. And we'll finish up this video. Alright, so moving on. So this is a recap, right? Well, what have we done? So the car got fixed. It's drivable. And then what else have you guys not seen? That I was able to find some OEM Honda windshield visors at the junkyard, and I installed it. A few videos back, I don't know exactly which video, but I made a video about the hub-centric rings. I also installed those as well. And I didn't record that, so the hub-centric rings. Old one. New one. And I did not document it, but I also got new lug nuts. Some spline lug nuts, aftermarket lug nuts, because like I've said it before, this is my first build, and so I wasn't aware that I have to also get aftermarket lug nuts so that it could fit properly with my aftermarket wheels. Spline lug nuts for it, so they're smaller than the OEM ones. I believe that is it. Yeah, that's it. And so that is the recap. The next video, I'm already editing it right now, but next video is gonna be a short one, like this one, maybe even shorter. Stay tuned for that. But I think that's it.